Oh boy, we are back, and BLUETTI just reached into a new territory where they have not really been seen before. They just released their own 12-volt 100 amp hour battery, and we're going to be taking a close look at that in this video. And if you're just in a hurry and trying to get that discount, feel free to use our promo code AdventureTech. You can skip this video, jump right over there, use the links in the comments or the description. You can get right over that page, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a close look at BLUETTI's 12.8 volt 100 amp hour battery. Now this battery is self-heating, really great for low temperatures, got intelligent BMS built right in, it's IP65 water resistant, great for a trolling motor option, fire resistant casing, modular and expandable. You got app monitoring, which is super convenient. You can just jump on that app, see how much power it's got, how much is going in and out. You got 6,000 plus life cycles because it's an LFP battery. You got a 10-year lifespan projected on that. You could use this every single day, charging and discharging it. It's gonna last so long. This is one of the new batteries in the BLUETTI series are getting into this DIY solar power stuff. This is ideal for trolling motors, but also this is definitely be used for solar power setups. They're going to be able to deliver consistent power. Cold weather is not going to be a problem. Steady power input. Built-in self-heating film activates when temperatures fall below 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeps the battery at an ideal 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal performance and long lifespan. Your power stays consistent and efficient even in colder weather. You got a lighter, faster, more efficient battery here. Say goodbye to bulky, short-lived lead-acid batteries because BLUETTI's LFP batteries are 70% lighter, charge faster, and last 10 times longer. Imagine more power for your devices, less hassle for you, and savings that add up over time. Plus, whatever you're powering is going to be that much lighter, so it's going to feel like it's going to be moving that much quicker. And something you're not going to get with any lead-acid battery that you're going to be buying, this comes with built-in protection on it. Multi-layer protection ensuring safe and worry-free use. Whether you're powering your RV, boat, or your home, you can count on this to be safe for you. IP65 water resistant and dust resistant, fire resistant casing, and that intelligent BMS is going to protect against overvoltage and all kinds of things like that. And this is a serious battery if you want a serious solution for home backup power. You can expand this into some seriously large battery banks. Reach up to 122.88 kilowatt hours. That's enough to stay powered for weeks. And this is going to be super convenient for so many different scenarios. With the app, you're going to be able to monitor state of charge, real-time voltage, current and power, charging, discharging, and standby status, battery temperature, remaining charge and discharging temp, and system capacity. I love to know exactly the temperature, especially when you get into those lower temperatures. And these batteries can charge up in about an hour. This is the newest series from BLUETTI, and it's pretty cool to see that they're jumping into DIY solar power because their portable power stations are so amazing already. If you're looking to get one of these, you can use our promo code AdventureTech. You get a little bit of a discount on this. Use the links in the comments or description to get right over this page, get that deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Everybody else, you can subscribe 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button, but make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about all this new tech.